Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to plot a combo chart. So we're going to create a combo chart in the fastest and easiest way possible. So this is the data set that we'll be using. So the first thing is to highlight all the data, then come to format here. I want everything to be visible, so I want to auto fit column width. So everything now is visible, sorry. So we want to create a combo chart. To create the combo chart, we highlight even the column titles here, all of this data that I'll be using, and then come to insert, come to recommended charts, and then click on all charts, and then we look for combo chart. Combo chart is here. Here's the combo chart, and we select the one that we want. So I want the customer to be, we can decide to make one of it. So I want the customer count to be secondary here. You can just click here, so you can see now the customer data is on the trend line, and this make it much sense. You can also convert back and say maybe I want this, the other one to be, and yeah, but I will prefer the customer count to be on the secondary axis. Yes, and that's how we create it. So you just click OK. Yes, and you can put it back to where you want it to be. Yes, I want it to be here. So the next thing is to make sure that it's font 12 and it's the Times New Roman. Yes, so resize it further. Yes, like that. The next thing is to add access titles. We want to make sure that the titles are well labeled, these titles here. So the first thing is to just click on this one, the plus sign, come to access titles, and we start with the secondary. This is the secondary access, and this secondary access is a, you type customer count. Then we come to this one. This one is just the month, the x-axis month, and the primary y-axis is revenue in USD. Yes, like that. Then the next thing is to create our title, chart title. So we can type here monthly revenue versus customer count. Yes, and that is how you create the combo chart. You can decide to change the design. You can come here and design and select the one that is much presentable to you. You can decide to take this one. You can decide to use this one, this one, this one, that one, that one. I would prefer this one. This one looks much better. Or the black one. I think the black one is good. So we just resize it, take that. Oh, sorry, it's going far. Let's put it back. Yeah, that is fine. Yes, then we have to confirm that it is font 12, not font 12. 8 times Roman 112. Yes, and yes, that's it. Everything is visible. Yes, and that's how we create the combo chart. Please subscribe, like the video. Yes, and come back for more. Thank you.